So recall that the average rate of change is defined. So the average rate of change of f on the interval AB, so the interval from A to B, not the point, right, is f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. So if we were doing this for this specific function from 1 to 3, then we would need f of 3 minus f of 1 over 3 minus 1. F of 3 is 2 times 3 cubed. So 2 times 3 cubed minus f of 1, which is just 2. 2 times 1 cubed. And 3 minus 1, and the denominator is just 2. So this is 3 cubed is 27, so this is 54 minus 2 divided by 2, or 52 over 2, and that is 26. So your average rate of change between 1 and 3 for this function is 26. Question 2 is very similar, just different function and a different interval. You just have to be more careful of negative signs on question 2. For question 3, we're first going to do the average rate of change from 2005 to 2008. So this would be the output value from 2008, so 14526, minus the output value from 2005, and that is this number, 16,019, divided by 2008 to minus 2005. So if this was your function f, and let's say this was f, if this was, say, the year was t, and maybe this was something like p of t for the, or s for sales, then this would be s 2008 minus s of 2005 divided by 2008 minus 2005. So we're using the same formula that we have above, just applied to this table. And in the numerator, you have negative 1493, and divided by 3. That gives you approximately negative 497.7. And your units here are the units of your output variable, which is in millions of dollars, divided by your units of the input variable. And here that's in years, so it's millions of dollars per year. And the millions here is important. If you don't have that, then you would not have the correct units. The second part is asking from 2005 to 2010, were there any one-year intervals during which the average rate of change was positive? And yes, the answer is yes. There's only one of them, though. So between 2005 and 2006, sales decreased. So here we had the sales went down. From 2006 to 2007, they also went down. From 2007 to 2008, they also went down, so we're not looking too well. From 2008 to 2009, they further went down. And from 2009 to 2010, they went up. So here you'd have a positive in there. So because, so since 2009 to 2010, had an increase in the sales the average rate of change would be positive from 2009 to 2010, and that'd be the only case. And you could verify this. We just did one in part A, right, from 2008 to 2005. That was negative, although it wasn't a 1 year interval. But the point is, if you did the average rate of change for each one of these, you would have a negative number, except for the last one, when it would be positive.